Good morning, children. Lesson 4 from the diary of Annie Frank is going on. In introduction, you have already learned that Annie Frank lived in Holland and Hitler invaded. She had to remain in hiding to escape Hitler's persecution of the Jews. You know, she was a Jew, she was a German, and she had got the diary on her birthday, and she made a friend. She made the diary her friend. Now, today, there are certain activities for you to do. Question 1. Do you keep a diary? Given below under A are some terms we use to describe a written record of personal experience. Can you match them with their descriptions under B? You may look up the terms in a dictionary if you wish. So let us read this. First of all, journal. Second is diary. Third is log. And fourth is memoir in column A. Now see, in second part, B, a book with a separate space or page. A book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. This is the diary. Yes. So first description matches with the diary. A book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. Remember this. Now read. Next, a full record of a journey. Remember this. A full record of a journey. This is not the feeling or thought. This is different from first one. A full record of a journey, a period of time or an event written every day. This is the log. Remember this. This is the log. Third, a record of a personal own life. See this, a record of a person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. This is memoir. Remember this. This is a memoir. And last one, a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. Dear children, you can say this is different from first one, different from your diary. Because diary is a record of your thoughts and feelings. This is not official. This is not formal. Diary is not formal, but it is written in a informal way. But last one, a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. This is journal. Remember this. Next, here are some entries from personal records. Use the definitions above to decide which of the entries might be from a diary, a journal, a log, or a memoir. First one, I woke up very late today. I think you can remember, you can use your mind. I woke up very late today and promptly got a scolding from mom. I cannot help it. How can I miss the FIFA World Cup matches? Answer. You can say this is a diary. Next, second, 10:30 a.m. went to the office of the director. At 1 p.m. had lunch with chairman. Third, 5:45 p.m. received Rahul at the airport. Last, 9:30 p.m. dinner at home. What is this? Yes, this is log. What is a log? What is a log? A full record of a journey, a period of time, or an event written every day. This is a log. Third one, the ride to OT or UT was uneventful. We rested for a while every 50 kilometer or so and used the time to capture the magnificent landscape with my handy cam. From Uti, we went on to Bangalore. What a contrast! The noise and pollution of this once beautiful city really broke my heart. What is this? You can take the suggestion from the first activity. This is journal, a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. Yes. Last fourth one. This is how Raj Kapoor found me, all wet and ragged outside RK Studios. He was then looking for just someone like this for a small role in Mera Naam Joker, and he cast me on the spot. The rest, as they say, is history. This is memoir. This is memoir. Fourth one is memoir. What is definition of memoir? A record of a person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. Next. This is the diary of Anne Frank. Writing in a diary is a really a strange experience for someone like me. You can remember her age. She was only 13 years old. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings. Musings are thoughts of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it does not matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Actually, the girl was in trouble. Her age was 13, and you can think she has also a thought. She wanted to write, yes, and she got a diary. All the things will help you to understand the lesson. Paper has more patience than people. Yes, if you tell anything to a person, he may react, but paper cannot react. Yes, this is the line, very important. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless. Listless is with no energy or interest, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding, thinking seriously. Brooding is thinking seriously. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed, stiff backed, that is hardcover notebook, a diary. Perhaps you have seen a diary. I think everyone has seen a diary. It has stiff backed notebook, means hardcover notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend. It probably would not make a bit of difference. She tells, Annie Frank tells the diary her real friend. This is important. Now I am back to the point that prompted, encouraged me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. Dear children, remember that her elder sister was 3 years older than her. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, no, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I cannot bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. We would not seem to be able to get my closure, and that is the problem, maybe. It is my fault that we don't confide to tell personal things privately to a person that one trusts in each other. In any case, that is just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. I don't want to jot down. Jot down means write down the facts in this diary the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Remember, children, any friend gave the name Kitty to her dear diary. So, read again and again this part of the lesson. Listen again and again so that you may easily understand this. You should try to read this lesson silently so that you may develop a habit of self reading. Self reading is very important to develop a language. Thank you, children. Next day we shall discuss more. Thank you again.